timeless quotes by Rousseau on freedom, education, and human nature. Rousseau believed that freedom is the birthright of every individual, essential for true happiness. Education, according to Rousseau, should nurture a child's natural instincts and curiosity, fostering genuine learning. He argued that humans are inherently good, and society corrupts this innate virtue over time. Rousseau's thoughts on social contract emphasize the importance of collective freedom and individual rights. Join us for more inspiring insights from great thinkers.